TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 64GB 6000MHz, the kit that feels insanely fast. You're deep in a late-night edit or raid, everything's perfect, then bam, stutter, freeze, Chrome tabs mocking you at 99% RAM. Last week, I watched a friend lose a 4-hour render at 2:37 a.m. because 32 gigabytes finally gave up. That's literally you right now, isn't it? Type same if Sunday nights still destroy your soul. Let's fix this together. Feel that tightness in your chest when the fans scream and nothing loads? That knot when Premiere lags on a client deadline? Heart racing because you know one more tab will crash it all? Stay with me just 30 more seconds. I promise you're about to discover total control without learning curves, without stress, without ever closing anything again. Don't just pick any DDR5 RAM. Make sure it has genuine Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo dual profiles, so you never suffer boot loops or it doesn't post nightmares again. That's exactly what the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 64GB kit delivers. One click and you're locked at 6000 MHz on either platform. No drama. You get 64GB that eats 8K editing, 200 Chrome tabs, streaming, VMs, everything. Zero stuttering. You get on-die ECC that silently catches errors so your renders never corrupt at 99%. You get PMIC cooling that stays ice cold even when you push it. You get the cleanest, widest RGB on the market that actually looks premium, not plastic. Picture this, 2:42 a.m. Your biggest client project is due in 4 hours. Old kit crashes, everything gone. You slam in the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 64GB, hit Expo, and suddenly the timeline flies, fans go quiet, calm washes over you like you just saved your entire career in minutes. That night, everything clicked. That's the exact moment thousands of creators and gamers are living right now. This is why build subs won't shut up about the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 64GB kit in 2024. A top reviewer literally said the RGB is among the brightest and most uniform on the market. Another analyst called 6000 MHz CL38 64GB the future-proof sweet spot without stupid pricing. One creator I know, a Jay's 2 cents community regular, wrote 64GB means I never close anything. Premiere, Photoshop, game, stream, all open, zero lag. RGB is the centerpiece of my case now. My own rig? I went from angry tab closing to forgetting RAM even exists. The number one objection I hear is always, but DDR5 is expensive and scary, except this kit is cheaper than most 32GB 7200 MHz kits and works first try on every Z790 and X670 board I've thrown it at. No tuning, no voltage tweaking, no excuses. Drop a fire below if you're tired of living in 2020 RAM prison. Imagine waking up to a system that never stutters, never forces you to choose between tabs and frames, never leaves you sweating at 3 a.m. That's the deepest shift the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 64GB gives you. Total creative freedom. Join the thousands of creators and teams already living this every single day. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. No pressure at all. Just click and see for yourself. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. See you on the inside, friend.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.